students. Today we are going to discuss about 6th standard social science, second term, lesson 1, history part. The lesson topic is Vedic culture in North India and megalithic culture in South India. This is the topic. Today we are going to discuss. These are the important topics. Okay students, today we are going to see the first one is learning objectives, that is the origin and migration of Aryans into India. Then to identify the sources of study related to the Vedic age. Then to understand the evolution of political, economic and religious structures in Rig Vedic and later Vedic societies. And we have another points also to locate the religion inhabited by both early and later Vedic period peoples, to make the differences between early and later Vedic periods, and to understand the megalithic and Iron Age culture in Tamil Nadu. So these are the topics we are going to discuss today. Okay, let us move to the first Vedic age.
Vedic age. The first phase of urbanization in India came to an end with the decline of Indus civilization. A new era called Vedic age began with the arrival of Aryans. The periods of Vedic age. It is a period in the history of India between 1500 BC. It means BCE, before Christ era, 600 BC, before Christ era. It gets its name from 4 Vedas. 4 Vedas. Who were the Aryans? The Aryans were Indo-Aryan language speaking, semi-nomadic pastoralists. They came from Central Asia in several waves of migration through Khyber Pass of Hindu Kush mountains. Though cattle rearing was their main occupation, they also practiced slash and burn agriculture. Do you know what is the meaning of slash and burn agriculture? Yes, let us see this. It is a farming method that involves clearing the land by cutting and burning all the trees and plants on it. Cultivation is done there for a short time and then abandoned. People then move to a new piece of land for cultivation. Aryans and their home in India. First of all, you can see this tabular column. Aryans, time, spread and sources. Geographical range, North India. Period, Iron Age. Time, 1500 BC to 600 BC. Sources, Vedic literature. Nature of civilization, rural. Okay. Aryans of the Rig Vedic period were semi-nomadic. They were basically pastoral people with the cattle as their main source of wealth. In the Rig Vedic times, the Aryans' homeland was the Punjab, which was at the time called Sapta Sindh, the land of 7 rivers. Around 1000 BC, Aryans in India moved eastward and settled in Indo-Gangetic plain. Use of iron, axes and blocks became widespread. Okay, let us go to the Vedas. First, we should know about 4 names of the Vedas: Rig, Yajur, Sama, Atharvana. Rig, Yajur, Sama and Atharvana. These are the 4 Vedas. Okay, now the sources of Vedic literature. Sources. First, Vedic literature. Vedic literature can be classified into 2 broad categories: Shrutis, Smritis. Shrutis comprise the 4 Vedas, the Brahmanas, the Aranyakas and the Upanishads. They are considered sacred, eternal and an unquestionable truth. Shruti means listening or unwritten, ones that were transmitted orally through generations. Smritis, a body of text containing teachings on religion such as Itihasas, Puranas, Tantras and Agamas. Smritis are not eternal, they are constantly revised. Smriti means definite and written literatures. Let us see this tabular column. It will give a clear idea for this Vedic literatures. Okay, Vedic text: Shruti, Smriti. Shruti, 4 Vedas, Brahmanas, Aryankas, Upanishads. Smriti, Itihasas, Puranas. Itihasas means Ramayana, Mahabharata. Puranas, Shiva Purana, Vishnu Purana. Sudras, Dharma Sudra, Manusmriti, Narada Smriti. So these are the Vedic texts. And one more information about this Upanishad. A national motto, our national motto, Satyameva Jayate, is taken from Mundaka Upanishad. Mundaka Upanishad. The meaning of Satyameva Jayate: truth along triumphs. Truth along triumphs. Okay, now we can go to see the classification of Vedic age. Is there 2 phases of Vedic age? One, yearly Vedic period, that means Rig Vedic. The period of Rig Vedic period 1500 BC to 1000 BC. Later Vedic period, the period of later Vedic period 1000 to 600 BC. Okay. Now we can go to see the archaeological sources. Material remains such as iron implements and pottery from the archaeological sites in Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, and Rajasthan along the Indus and the Ganges. Here we have excavated lot of the sources. Thank you.